my channel. It's your girl Kimberly. So today I'm going to be deep cleaning my bathroom because it's really dirty, and you know, spring is almost here and I love to clean my bathroom. Very deep clean. So I want to show you guys. But first I want to show you guys the bathroom. Okay, so this is my bathroom right now. It's really dirty here. There's the sink, the toilet, and the shower. And yeah, I need to clean the walls too. And this is what the shower looks like, which I have to clean it. So yes, so this is going to be cleaned. It's going to be cleaned. So let's get started. Okay, so the products I'm going to use, I'm going to leave you guys right here. I'm filming you guys with my phone. Okay, so hold on. So the products that I use is Pine-Sol. I love using this Pine-Sol. It smells so good. I got this at the 99-cent store. So this is what I use. And I got this bottle also at 99, so I'm going to pour this in here. There you go. And this, I'll just throw it away. Alright, now that I'm done here, look at my hair, you guys. I've been like, now that it's done here, this is what it looks like now. Now I'm gonna hit the toilet next. So let me put you guys somewhere else. Alright guys, so what I use to clean the toilet is this. These are gels that go inside the bowl of the toilet. This is called Lime Away, and this is a really good, and it removes the toughest stains. So it's a thick gel, so I'm going to be using that. And I'm going to be cleaning, so let's get started. Alright, so this is really fun. So you just take the top here, take it off, and then it has this little button right here, and you're just going to push the little button to the next little square here, and it's going to go right in just one. You're just going to push it and then release, and they release a little gel, and then you just put the top back on and you're done. Only one, because it's only one. And now you're gonna flush. Okay, now for the shower. Okay, now for the shower. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna take this is the shower. I'm gonna take everything out of here so I could clean it. And the products that I'm gonna be cleaning are the Ultimate Bathroom Cleaner, the bubble scrubber, the scrubbing bubbles. So yeah, that's what it looks like. I'm gonna put you guys here so you guys can see. Alright guys, so there is the shower right there. Nice and clean now. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna sweep the floor, and I'm going to clean this really good, and then after that I'm gonna mop. So alright guys, now I'm gonna mop. So easy way for me to mop is this way. Alright guys, there we go. Finished. Clean there, a little bit clean. This is clean, mirrors are clean, bathroom's clean. Smells delicious. So yeah. Now, gotta shut the lights off. guys, that was really like tough. Look at my hair. But I hope you guys enjoy this. Me deep cleaning my bathroom. I do this like twice, like 2 weeks. I just deep clean it, which is not dirty. When it's not dirty, I just clean the counters. And but today I had to clean it because it was really dirty. So I just wanted to show you the deep clean spring. And later I'm gonna do a deep clean in my bedroom because it's really messy. It's really unorganized. And yeah, so I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And this week I didn't have my appointment with the nutritionist because it snowed really bad and the roads were closed and we couldn't go. But Friday I will go. I have my appointment, so wait for that. And I hope you guys like the new intro. I did a new intro, and if you guys are interested in the intro that I make, it's pretty easy. If you guys want to turn on that, just put in the comments below. And subscribe to my channel if you guys like this, because I want to get 200 subscribers. And yeah, give a big thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you guys in another video. Bye guys.